Hi friends, it is Aditya from Aditya RPA Academy Bangalore. Now we are continuing web services in Blue Prism RPA. In this video we are going to see how to expose business objects to web. Yeah, if you like this video, you please subscribe it and you please refer to your friends. Thank you. And in this one we are going to create like a multiple business objects like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and I am going to take like two data items, that is x and y, whereas and again it requires every calculation requires to store the results, and then based on the calculation I will check like result data item. And now I am going to create like a group, create a group. Okay, web service group, create object, addition exercise or addition business object. Next you can type, let's say for web services, web service, and let me create like one more business object for this one, addition like multiplication, business object, then you can assign a name, let's say for web services, and finish, and create one more, okay, subtraction, so business object, so division business object, so for web service okay. Now I'm going to create like addition business object. Go to action, then check two data items, one is x and another one is y, x and the data type is number, the initial value is like a 10, then check another data item is y, and then select data type is number, and then 20. So take the calculation stage, assign a name for this one like addition, Then create a data item here, addition. Click on shortcut. Now it's ready. And again we can pass inputs through start stage, addition here. So one is X, another one is Y. You can assign a name for this one. Let us say addition X, and paste here Y. And next one, and we'll get an output from end stage. Click on add and get value from result, like addition. Then run it. Okay, right now I am publishing this action and rename it to addition. So web service, save it, then close it. I am creating like one more business object, that is division. So calculation, use okay, I'm assigning name like division. Numbers, add new child, like so. Rename it. So X, Y, then so division, so X divided by Y, and the result stored in here. So link it, then assign a values for this one. So X is number, so 10, and Y is number, so 20. Then publish it. So reset it and then run it. Save changes, then assign a name for this one. So like a division, web service, so now I'm going to create some multiplication business object. Go to action, publish it, and then let me rename it to multiplication, so web service, So use calculation stage. So x multiplied by y, and result will stores in multiplication. Now click on shortcut. So link it. Then we'll pass input parameters through start stage. Add. And we'll get an outputs from the end stage. And save it. Then run it. So now it's ready. Then create one more business object. Okay, subtraction. Subtraction business object. So web services. And create shortcut. Then click on OK. Then check it input and output parameters. Now click on OK. Then add output. So get value from. So result. And then rename it. Subtraction web service. So reset it and then make sure publish it, save it. So to avoid this window again and again, let me go to control system tab, settings. If we unselect this one, we need not give any information while we are saving, and go to tabs. So our business objects are ready. Let me check it once again. So we have inputs, right. Save changes. I forgot to give inputs. So X and Y. So division X and division Y. Save it. And multiplication. Yeah, I give inputs and I give outputs also. Save changes. Okay, save it and then go to system tab, and here you can find out under objects, because we are exposing business objects. Again, we can expose processes also, but we'll see that part later. Go to objects, expose, and then select expose business object, and then you can see a web service group that is we have created, and then okay, select one, click on next, and then if you observe here, will automatically correct it. See, autocorrect. Suppose let me change this one, so it gives a message like this. The name is invalid, means it won't allow any space. Choose the exposed name from the business object, the name is not valid. If you click on autocorrect, will correct it by itself. Then click on finish. Then and again click on expose the business object. Repeat the same procedure for all other business objects. Then open browser, and you can type system name. In general, it's like a local host, colon, and the default port number is 8181, so / and type WS. So again like a forward slash. So we'll expose to like web. And before that, let me check my system name here. Go to my computer and properties. So it's my computer name. So Aditya. So instead of localhost, so we need to type. We need to give my system name. Right. If you press the enter,